Coming into the final trading session of the week, having chalked up some modest gains overall, but today's futures numbers are also pointing to a higher start today. We'll get an update this morning on retail prices, Labor Department releasing Consumer Price Index for November, also the Fed releasing November industrial production a little bit later on this morning. If you're not thrilled, though, with your overall 401k performance, why not talk to some of these students? We've got some actually here now from Liberty Common High School in Fort Collins. These guys right here, they're the first place team in this quarter's stock market experience. Their portfolio saw a 40% return. Are you guys doing this legally? Let me introduce you to C.U. Park from Liberty Commons. You're going to be the spokesperson. It's good to see you. Real quickly, who are the other friends?
So this is Lucas.
Yes, Lucas.
This is Mason.
Mason, thank you guys. Congratulations, too.
Thank you.
How'd you do this? How'd you pick your stocks?
You know, I was looking for something with high volatility. I got a great return.
You got it. It's all the risk and reward there, it sounds like. So what'd you buy?
Well, just some futures, commodities.
Oh, so you really were playing on the risky side, weren't you? So the stock market experience, as we've been introducing students every month for the past few months, is really a great way to kind of immerse yourself into the stock market. What did you guys learn?
Well, we learned how the market works.
Yeah.
We learned that it is actually risky to buy commodities.
Sure.
And yeah, competition is really tough.
What advice would you have for other students, perhaps, who are thinking about maybe finding out a little bit more, or maybe not?
Check the stocks every day.
Yeah. Yeah, yes. And invest in companies that you know about, too, because that's sometimes a great way to do it. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you having fun now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can tell. Stick around, because we got some gadgets to show. But first, before we go, I want to let you know that we've also got the stock market experience signing up for the next semester. Applications being accepted right now. You can go to stockmarketexperience.org. This is all put on by the Colorado Council for Economic Education. And again, we've got the details on our website, too. We're going to introduce you to some of the other teams from around the state, too. But again, congratulations to you guys. Time for a look at your money. Stocks coming into the final trading session of the week, having chalked up some modest gains overall. Today's futures numbers kind of turned mixed in the last 20 minutes or so. We're going to get an update this morning on retail prices. Labor Department releasing that Consumer Price Index for the month of November. Also, the Fed's releasing some industrial production numbers a little bit later on today. Hey, if you're not terribly thrilled with your 401k performance, you need to talk to these students. They're from Liberty Common High School in Fort Collins and all over the Front Range. This was the first place team right here in this quarter's stock market experience. This portfolio from Liberty Common saw a 40% return. That's amazing. Not only do we have students from Liberty Common High School, but also Denver International and Rocky Top. And thanks to all of you for coming in. We're going to talk to some of you in just a minute. But first, I wanted to introduce you to Erica Fukuhara, who is with the Stock Market Experience coordination effort here. And we do this every month, and I'm always shocked by how well these students do.
Yeah, me too. I mean, this is a fun day because these students have done outstanding over an 11-week period.
Right.
They've invested in stocks, bonds, futures, commodities, mutual funds. We do have rules in the game.
Yeah.
So a 40% return, they're still required to diversify their portfolio. We limit them. They can't buy high-risk penny stocks and so on. But these kids are just amazing. So thank you.
Well, and they offer lessons to all of us. Bob Schaefer is joining us now. You're the principal, actually, from Liberty. Congratulations to you.
Well, thank
and
you.
If it's a recognizable face, been in politics for a while.
That's right.
And now you're in education. What are they learning from this program?
Well, they're learning a lot about economics at the basic level. I mean, we take that program pretty seriously at our school. We're a K-12 program. We start economics instruction back in kindergarten, so that all contributes to their understanding of markets.
All right. Well, let's get to the students. See, how are you again?
Nice to meet you.
This is your team. Let me get out of the way here. Introduce your team real quickly here.
Here's Mason.
Yes.
Here's Lucas.
So you were really risky when I talked to you last half hour. You were on the commodity side more than anything,
yes.
right? But you guys saw the 40% return. Mm-hmm. Did you have fun?
Indeed.
Yes. It's not bad. How are you going to take this lesson and kind of move on into when you become an adult and play with real money?
You know, I'm going to try it. Just go for it.
I think you should. Very good. Congratulations to you guys. Sam, where's Sam? Sam, you stay right there, buddy. Introduce your team real quick. Where are you from?
We're from Denver Center for International Studies. This is Enrique.
Yes.
This is Maya, and this is Sean.
Hi, Sean. How are you? So what did you guys learn?
We learned that a lot of it is luck, and you just have to try.
And some research, too.
Yeah.
Very good. And how well did you do? What was your return, do you know?
I think it was 20%.
That's not bad, especially in this market. And Hunter?
That's me.
Yeah, all right. Introduce your team real quickly here.
This is Drake.
Yeah.
That's Connor, and that's Ryan.
Very good. What grade are you guys in?
6th.
And who is this, your teacher behind you?
Yes.
You got to give him a shout out. Otherwise, you may fail. What's your teacher's name?
Brian.
Hey, Brian, how are you? So what did you guys invest in? What kind of stocks? What was it?
Energy.
Energy stocks? You like energy?
Well, we just had like a diverse portfolio of all kinds of stuff.
Well, that's good. Diversity is the key, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, smiling is key too. Very good. Let's see those teeth. Awesome. All right. If you would like to take part in next semester's stock market experience, because you're signing up right now, this is offered by the Colorado Council for Economic Education. And for more details, it's free too, which is we should mention. You can go to stockmarketexperience.org. Stockmarketexperience.org. Give a big wave. Thank you all for coming and traveling so far. Best of luck in the future here. You guys are going to do great. Let's just